Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to go over how I prep my nails before I put on gel polish or nail enhancements. Now this is my own personal way of doing it. I mean, everybody does it differently obviously, but I just thought I would share with you guys how I do my own. I'm really sorry about the hand, but unfortunately with the whole quarantine I don't have anybody else to do it on, so I have to do it on myself. But I hope you enjoy it, and I'll give you wee hints and tips as we go. Just going in now and pushing all the cuticles back. I always make sure that I use my cuticle at a slight angle. This is to prevent any pain or discomfort to the client. Over all the nails again, making sure that I'm getting those sidewalls and pushing back any bits that I maybe missed the first time round. For me, preparation is definitely key. If you don't have good preparation done on the nails before you put any enhancements on, you're going to run into problems. So make sure that you're always really thorough whenever you are doing your preparation. It's going to save you an awful lot of hassle in the long run. Cuticle nippers now. I know some people don't really like to use these, but I think they're fab, especially for anybody, you know, nail biters and stuff that have like quite big thick nail bed or big thick cuticles. It really does help with the service, and just gives a really nice finish at the end. When you are using your cuticle push or your cuticle nipper, sorry, make sure that you stay as flat as you can to the cuticle. No digging or anything, you know, just be really careful with them, and again, practice on yourself before you use them on a client. Check the pressure and make sure that you're not doing anything that you wouldn't want to do on a client, you know. Yeah, so give yourself a good practice with them before you use them on a client. Remember guys, we are literally only taking away the dead skin around the cuticle. We are not taking away any live skin or live tissue that's on the actual cuticle. That is definitely a no-no. We're literally only tidying up. So it's like all the wee tiny white bits that you get around the nail. That's it, nothing else. If you feel like you're not comfortable at all using these, I mean, you don't have to. It's personal preference really, but make sure that you're confident in using them before you put them anywhere near a client, because you don't want to cause any damage to your client's nails at the end of the day. Apologize for the state of my nails, guys. Generally my nails are never in good condition. It's just how they are. There's nothing I have ever been able to do to help it. You know, they're very weak and just really flimsy nails. Have always been like that, so I'm really sorry about the model today. I'm just taking any excess dead cuticle that is on the nail plate. The reason why we do this is because all the products you use for doing gel polish and enhancements are only, they can only be used, they only adhere to natural nail. They don't adhere to any dead skin or anything else on the nail. So it's really important that you get all that skin off the nails and make sure that they're completely ready for the for your enhancements or your gel polish. Otherwise you're going to have lifting and you're going to have oh gosh, I got so tongue tied there. I was just showing you how to do it with the cuticle pusher, well, the other end of the cuticle pusher. I'm going to show you how to use e-file. This is how I would normally do it in the salon. I don't use the cuticle pusher at all. I go in with the e-file and a little safety bit, cuticle safety bit, and I'll show you how I do it now. You can see there's like a wee round top on this. This means that it's safe to use. You know, you'll not cut the client. If you'll see me further on in the video, I actually put it on my skin so that you see that it doesn't hurt. If your clients do get a wee bit afraid about you using an e-file, show them. You know, that's what I would normally do. I would normally get the e-file and actually put it on my own skin while it's on, to show them that it's not painful and it doesn't hurt, and then they have a bit more confidence then when they let you use it, because they can be a wee bit afraid sometimes, you know. Using the e-file will speed your surface up as well. It definitely does get rid of the cuticle around the nail a lot quicker than what you would do if you were having to scrape it off with the cuticle pusher. It's definitely my favourite. I think it's this one here. I show you that I use it on the skin. Yeah, see, it doesn't hurt. If you are using an e-file, make sure that you keep it pretty flat to the nail. See, it is sort of the same as what you would do with your cuticle pusher. If you have it raised too high, you will find that you will get like indents in the nail. And I always tend to move pretty quick with it. I don't leave it in the one spot for long, or it's not on a high speed either. You know, it's on quite a low speed. I let the e-file do the work. I don't put any pressure on the nail. I just literally let it do everything for me. You don't need to anyway. The e-file does it all. You don't need to be putting pressure on or anything like that. I have a wee bit of skin here that it's a wee bit of dead skin, and it really bugged me trying to do this. It just wouldn't come off. I tried everything. It was like, nope, not moving. So you can see like how lightly I'm using it. You know, I can't even get in to get that bit of skin off. Excess cuticle. There we go, gone. Oh, it was so annoying. So nice and lightly, always keeping it moving. Don't ever stay on the one place. Just keep going. If you do stay on the one place, you would find that it would get quite warm and it would burn your client in. So that's definitely not what we want to do here. Again, use this on yourself before you use it on your clients. Go and get proper training. Be using it without any training. Take all that dust away. with my nail file. 180 grit, no grittier than that, so 180 or 220 is normally what I go in with. This will take all the shine off the nail. If you were doing a gel polish, you could easily just use a 220 buffer, and you wouldn't need anything more than that, but you need to etch that nail a wee bit for whenever you're doing your enhancements, so make sure that it's only 180. You can't use anything else on the nail because it will damage it. If you could get a hand transplant. So I would love new hands. I hate my fingers. These are probably all the same. You know, I hate my fingers and I hate my feet. It's just not fair. We weren't born perfect, eh? So just going in lightly. Because my nails are quite thin naturally anyway, I literally just skim over them. Make sure sometimes I'll go in with a buffer and then just go in and etch with the 180. Because they get really sore and stuff, but it's nothing that I've done with my nails over the years. It's just how they are, unfortunately for me. Tidying up that free edge. I spend a good, I would say, 15-20 minutes, maybe sometimes more, on my prep. I just think it's the main thing you should be doing whenever you're doing nails. I know I've said that already, but it definitely, for me, I mean, my clients I never have nail repairers, I never have clients that come in with lifting, I never ever have any problem. If you like this video, please give it a wee thumbs up. I would really appreciate it, and subscribe to my channel. I have loads more videos coming up this week. Obviously, with being in quarantine, I've got nothing else to do. I'm going to show different bits and pieces, and go more back to basics and stuff with people about how I do things. So I would really love it if you would come along with me. Finish off, I just go in with a cotton pad and a wee bit of acetone, just clean everything up, but it keeps the nails dehydrated and ready for the next step. So that's you ready for application. Thanks for watching, guys.